everybody, me didn't finish. Say I'm back again on your screens with your favorite show and Nsem Wo Krom. And next stories and I are sorted. A roller coaster crash, just sad stories and funny stories. All for you. All for you, darling, all for you. All for you. God, stay tuned, don't go nowhere. Be right back. My first story is from His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Or say, for the deceased heroes' children, no. Or be establish a fansa, eba buan krani to kukum.
Nice one. Nice one.
In Yiadom on the 15th of August, I be state burial no. Or the sun shining in abeto a kwemu. Now why a kawa come myself so donate no. A kwaya badawa ma also adonate tibi. Yamin for mo crying say ye pa still mourning with the families now mashro madish no. Erade enka mo na won chechire mo re. President Yami won shira pa no akoma pa. Wade na dia chire o my Ghana. Ene mu manfo.
Thank you for the word so sweet.
Moving on to another sad story. Asantehemaa, Asante Kro ni nyina yehema eda form yehema atwanani ahwedan. Asantehemaa nana Konadu Yiadom the third. Nana rademfa okransie. Asantehemaa Asante deshe. Asante man nyina ehwrade. This is the sad news. Ato Asante man nyina. Everywhere is quiet. Everywhere is bloody. Bebia ye call. Bebia ye tum. Radin fani krensi yi. Nana hema. Radin bo ho by no fa krensi. Enti abusani nyina enhyeden na Asante hene. Oteko so they have betu just nyame adma 21st August. Ombeye na awotwe da no. Na sada no dura. Eye bia enkoso je se ye wie sa 1 week no. My third story, letter from the president's office. Or say, if we ne ko bia no, prophet bi obehu ayi disem afa president. Parliament member, ni petitiri hu bia no, emegina badwam enka. Number any email na WOHO yi. Fa ne fa ho. Omo review we na o ma ho kwan se koka ansa na akwa.
Look at my face.
Se wugina prophet nim na wunya yi disem bia na ba wotirimu se president bi wasama engina ho nkasa. Ye besi no ahwa na wani anye. The sent omo the letter about bontene omo number na omo email gusu se wo de ukọ office on e ma hu ni bakọ na number ni fafa so chechire mu kire wo mo na omo ahwekọ mbe fa so every la che ni bakọ no. Prophet Oja say na sade mo omo lore fe anase mo
God have mercy upon us.
Omo de be convey message ni dia akọ. Prophet Oja omo say emfa ka ma ho de ha ho. Just a telephone call and I say email. Papa. Hey, prophet email the president Dear President's office,
God have
it
mercy upon us.
My prophecy that no of people secretary be Juma because we secretary Juma so for can secretary type it. I mean it's about time it should be through the right process. Because it's one more so I say nyama mfa ma oni asabe to adabe to abonte say 7 bibi baba ye o. 31st night is there enya asem keto akra. President, Mr. President, His Excellency, thank you for this. A very nice part. You know, so for bia ntumi nkotena TV so nko kan asem bia nko ipanimu bia ho. Mo fa ni die ma na die ese no. This is the way to go. Big ups. As of for modwen ho saying.
Ghana for mu sorry o.
Protest bebe mu ana mo say.
Ghana for mu sorry o.
Mo say then.
Yeah, this God o.
But prophecy should be through the right channel. Obi si nyame de ma. Nyame na kire kwan yen fa so nkan. Na nka social media ni where. Because I'm sure say 10 years back na social media enye gidigidi say dey gidigidi say. Intina prophecies na dey reach the rightful owners. Say na mo pe kwan so de ma wo mo. Nti madaroma munya ne saa na asomdue ene efa hode kakra embra man. We need peace, we need our mental health.
I like it.
My last story a happy one, which is a very happy one. Davido 2025 he na hu say 2024 David and then the wife na satano and fiancé Chioma omo de mega engagement be mada.
I'm telling you
Nigeria for Emma Obiya could be celebrities, content creators, Obiya could grace event na ma girls be cross and make a moment rem no ma hepe money ma ya moment rem kwa. This time around no they call US abroad English name Miami.
Oh my God! Wow!
That is a wedding nefe. Chioma wedding ring and then the wristwatch and a bono. They say any obagana ha bet me out to nyama bibre. Watch and kwa price say to me to Lamborghini bako. Into a video be at the video so where's your Lamborghini lamo your lamo.
God have mercy upon us.
And I will invite a close friend Stoneboy and the wife Dr. Louisa or Gracie event you know. Na mo say GHI pass so cover event nice e mo ka say GHI pa and so GH there when the video mo your best friends mo boy omo beautiful wedding. The wedding was beautiful. Na Chioma busu phone to me ama e bi buy but nyom na to me buy the ntie oh papa ti trupa na ye na ya because we video na get news so papa to me ama said the WOHO nie.
Let's have it.
Ano ko US imre bi no overstay oko snow ni koye ne dedo. Didi bega na ade enti no fi no say time so man from. And the president no ka say oba overstay bia no. The chances of coming back are very difficult. It or apply for visa no wanya. We catch yourself. Uka catch o mo say ukodi 3 weeks ya. 3 weeks pepe no. Pa bag na sa besen. Yes akwache wo ho no na nyamu so mu de oba. E be dey so besen awrem. Davido, congratulations. Then she said, everybody is wishing to be this lady at this point. Now, you wishing to be Davido's wife or no? Do you have Davido's wife's heart?
I'm telling you.
Huh?
Look at my face.
I can see that the girl doesn't love the boy anymore. Oh boy, no cry now, no. That one man is kadidi no cry. No, so that's open. Then your bar will be my wash. The wedding made history. Congratulations to them. And once again, before I forget, congratulations to Mr. Easy and then a wife, Otido Labano. Oh, private, intimate. That should be a median sana mobile. Cameraman, you cry movie.
God have mercy upon us.
No. 9 months, so I want to remember the same meter. Thank you so much for watching. Me didn't finish. Say me the Nsem Wo Krom the bro. Till meet again some other time. Bye bye.